I like the sound of the. I got my video now. Just. Here comes another vision.
Yeah, let's hope it's going the other side.
Yeah, listen for the engine on this one.
You got it rolling?
Fire her up.
You got your thing going, buddy?
Yeah. There's another vision right here. Yeah. Pretty cool, the bus, though. Yeah. There's a lot of things I like about Bluebird visions out there.
Oh yeah? You like the Bluebirds better?
Yeah, Bluebird's usually my favorite. I'm a huge fan of Bluebird buses.
Oh yeah?
Especially this one's the one I would enjoy.
It's cute. My son got me a wallet for Christmas.
Really?
And he got it for me specifically because it was a blue wallet with a bird on the front.
Yeah.
Hey Henry, how about we hop off? There's people coming on.
I'll still do my video
Yeah, for sure,
when she starts up back it up.
You want to take a video of the whole thing?
Well, I'll do.
You want to show your YouTube followers all of it?
No. And this word here is the word camp used for the bus line.
Right.
That's what it means.
You want to show your YouTube video? What kind of
No. Here comes another vision here. There's something by her tire. You get there? Something was right by your tire here.
Oh yeah, my
I got it here though.
I put it out there to get cold.
Really, eh? I still have my video going for whenever you start it up again. The grills on buses are very big, by the way. As you can see how big the opening on this grill is. Yeah, the reason why it's big like this is just because with how big the end is. So it's because it has to be opened this big, so the whole engine can get the air into it, brought into it quickly.
That makes sense.
Depending on what size engine you have in a vehicle, it has to be big enough.
Logan. Will they have
You're looking over.
Where's our bus?
That wasn't the right bus.
Manager bus? No, that's manager.
Yeah.
I gotta find it.
Any stranded grade 10 or 11 students, you're probably in Mr. Newton's homeroom. This is the first service day. But anyway, any stranded grade 10 or 11 students who do not have anywhere to go and have not been assigned anywhere, please come to the office. Thank you.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's Henry, under Henry, my name, Henry Patterson.
Like that?
It's actually a space between. No, the letters of my last name are Patterson.
Oh,
Erson.
Patterson. Okay.
Yeah,
That's your channel?
yeah. There's space between the words.
Yep. I'll look for you.
Is this bus 2?
Yep.
Yeah. Everybody have fun.
Is there no here saying lost?
That Blue Vision 2728 is fired up.
Oh, yeah, that's the Gloucester bus. Just check the attendance. Right there.
Here, miss.
Henry, there's some people trying to get on, buddy.
Yeah.
We gotta let them get on. Thank you.
And the hood, this is the thing that holds the hood in place on each side of the bus.
So this black part's not the only the whole hood is the whole thing. The black part's just
Yeah, but not all buses have these black things though. But some yellow buses do have the whole hood yellow though.
right.
But some buses like to have, but some bus lines like to have the black part of some of this top part of the hood being
Right.
black for some reason.
Yeah, I think they're about to head off. She's putting her seatbelt on.
I have my video going still for when you start up. Just for when you turn that Cummins on.
I'll wait until after they do attendance to start off so they can hear.
Yep. You gonna miss?
How are you?
What? I'm doing a video on the bus for my YouTube channel.
Well, that's a good idea. Hello. How are you? Good, thank you. All right, I'm going to check attendance. Please listen carefully. Calvin, you're here. Brennan.
I might do a video on that
Chris,
bus too
Maddox.
whenever they.
Jet. Sorry. Alex. Adam. Brooke.
I might still do a video. I might keep my video going for whenever.
Perfect. Thank you. We're at the right bus. We're good. Maddie and Kaylee. Harmony and Michael.
This morning.
Thank you. Connor and Spencer.
No, it's a busy day, but this is.
Dean and Sean. Both of you? Isaiah and Hugh. Both, yes. Connor and Ian.
This is 3 here right now. Already.
Both? Samantha and Maya. Thank you. Both of you? I'm going to try and say this properly. Brohan, Josh, and Zach. Yeah? All 3 of you are here? Okay. Nev and Julia. Thank you. Sierra and Sophie. Excellent. Aaron and Samantha. Both of you? Mason and Jacob. Alessia and Julia. Bryce and Jackson. Tiff and Joey. Anybody who I did not tell you your name? What's your name? Anthony and Nico. Why did I not say your names? Anthony and Nico, are you in Mr. Greff or Miss Carnegie's class? Okay, Nico and Anthony,
Another
come with me
blue
for a
revision
second.
coming up out there.
I think there's supposed to be about 8 of them. So there's.
Well, there's
been 3.
actually there's more than 8 blue revisions we have in this
No,
school.
I know, but today, right now, they're getting.
Not on the list.
So there's 3
Come with
already.
me,
So
please.
5 more Bluebird visions. Are
All right.
Yeah,
we'll find
well,
you
we'll
a
find
home.
out,
Nico
though.
and Anthony, come on with me.
She, the driver was we didn't mind having me do a video on
No,
our
she
bus.
doesn't mind until you check. That's good. That's a good stage.
Yeah, and pretty good the bus.
Yeah, but
Here
I'm
comes
not
another
gonna-
blue revision.
I'm not going to leave until you guys listen.
Yeah,
All right, watch out.
go right
Boys,
in.
I'm not kidding. Let's go. Your name's not on here, and I have seniors that need people. Thank you. Miss, thank you.
Fire her up. Ready? Get that Cummins roaring. Listen to that Cummins roar. I'll still do the video of it roaring so I can hear the red sound.
Look at that. One moves and another one comes. Look at that.
Hey there. I was doing a video on her bus.
Pardon me?
I was doing a video on her bus for a YouTube channel I got.